Today our topic is equilibrium. Equilibrium का मतलब net force on the body is 0, net torque on the body is 0. So we will discuss the case of the equilibrium, different cases of the equilibrium. For example, equilibrium is of three types: neutral equilibrium, अब न्यूट्रल इक्विलिब्रियम कैसा होगा? ये देखिए, हॉरिजॉन्टल सरफेस और एक ब्लॉक रखा हुआ है। इस ब्लॉक के ऊपर कितने फोर्सेस एक्ट कर रहे हैं? नंबर ऑफ फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन दिस बॉडी आर 2, नॉर्मल एक्शन and weight of the body. Both are opposite. These are on the horizontal surface. Surface is at rest. So the block is at rest. So net force is 0. Net force is 0. That is N equal to mg. So the block is in equilibrium. If I displace it, इस साइड मान लीजिए, सपोज करिए मैंने डिस्प्लेस किया, and I released it, again the block remains in equilibrium. It has no tendency to come back here. Wherever I left it, it remains there in equilibrium. The body has no tendency to come back to the initial position. It remains in equilibrium wherever we leave it. Such type equilibrium is known as neutral equilibrium. Clear? अगर बॉडी कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी से भी चल रही हो, even then net force is 0. Body is in equilibrium. That is also neutral equilibrium. Clear? Okay. Second, equilibrium unstable. अनस्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम नाम से क्लियर है, बॉडी इक्विलिब्रियम में तो है, मतलब इट मीन्स नेट फोर्स इज 0, बट इफ वी डिस्प्लेस इट स्लाइटली फ्रॉम द इक्विलिब्रियम पोजिशन, इट्स टेंडेंसी इज टू गो अवे, इट विल नॉट रिमेन इन इक्विलिब्रियम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, body is placed on this type surface. Let that surface be smooth. Block is at the top position, that is center of this spherical surface. You can take center somewhere else here. It's a part of the spherical surface. Now block is placed at the top. Apply the forces. Free body diagram बनाइए. mg will pass through the center. Normal action also passing through it, center. Net force is 0 here. So it is the equilibrium. If we displace the body like this, it goes away. It will not come back to the initial position, initial equilibrium position. So it is that position is unstable equilibrium position, because if we displace it slightly from that position, it has no tendency to come back. Clear? So such type of equilibrium known as unstable equilibrium. The last is stable equilibrium. In stable equilibrium इस तरह की सरफेस है, मान लीजिए स्मूथ सरफेस, block is placed here, apply the forces acting on the body, normal reaction and mg, n equal to mg here, because it is in equilibrium. If we displace the block slightly from its equilibrium position, it has tendency to come back. This block has tendency to come back to the equilibrium position. It means some restoring forces are acting on this block when it is displaced from the mean position or equilibrium position. So this body is in stable equilibrium. Clear? Clearly, unstable equilibrium, body displaced, remain wherever you will leave it, no tendency to come back. This position is unstable equilibrium position. If it is slightly disturbed, goes away. That position is stable equilibrium position. If it is slightly displaced from this position, it will come back to the position. So it is stable equilibrium position. Clear? Suppose conservative forces are acting on the body which is in equilibrium. As you know, work done, negative of the work done by conservative forces is equal to change in potential energy of the body. Because potential energy is defined for conservative forces, so we have discussed this relation. Suppose force is acting in the direction of motion of the body, then you can write FCdr equal to du, cos 0 हो जाएगा, cos 0 1, Fc equal to minus du over dr. It is relation between conservative force and potential energy. Clear? I want to discuss equilibrium, condition for the equilibrium with the help of conservative force and potential energy. In equilibrium, force is 0. So minus du over dr is 0. It means u must be maximum or minimum or constant, because if the condition for maximum minima, first derivative should be 0, or third condition is u is constant, even then the derivative will be 0. Let us discuss this concept with the help of potential energy versus position graph. As you have seen, first derivative is 0. It is condition for maximum, minimum or constant potential energy. At that position, potential energy will be maximum for u maximum. Second derivative should be less than 0. For u minimum, second derivative should be greater than 0. When u is constant, first derivative 0, second derivative will also be 0. This will be 0. Clear? Okay. You can write here like this. Let us think about this position A. At A position, u is constant. Potential energy is constant. So A position is neutral equilibrium. Clear? Let us think about this position B point, top position. du over dr means slope of this curve. du over dr is slope of the curve. At the top position, slope will be 0. That is why first derivative is 0. Clearly, u is maximum here. In comparison of nearby points, potential energy is maximum. At B position, u is maximum. It is condition for unstable equilibrium. Clear? Let us think about the point C. At C point, clearly potential energy is minimum. So it is stable equilibrium. Position. Clear? Because force is negative of the slope of potential energy versus position graph. If you think about, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, if the body is displaced from the equilibrium position, in this case, if you displace it slightly this side, displacement is in positive direction, slope is negative, but force is negative of the slope of the potential energy graph, so force will be positive this side. F will be positive. So force is also acting this side. So it will not come back. It will go this side. So it is unstable equilibrium position. If you displace the body this side, means displacement is in that direction. If you plot here tangent slope, slope is positive, but negative of the slope is force acting on the body. The force will be negative. The force is also acting this side. It means from this position, at position B, force 0, equilibrium position. If you displace it towards right, force acting on it becomes towards the right. It will not come back. If you displace the body towards left of this point B, then force also acts towards left. The body will not come back to the equilibrium position. So it is unstable equilibrium position. Let us think about point C. If we displace body towards right, displacement this side, slope of the tangent clearly positive because it makes small acute angle with our position side. So force is, slope is positive, but force is negative of the slope, the force will be negative, force will act this side. So we are displacing body toward right, force start acting on the body towards left. It means the force is restoring in nature. It will take it back to the position C. So it means it is in equilibrium. C point is in equilibrium position. If we displace body towards left of C, so displacement is towards left as seen from C. Clearly slope at this position is negative because it makes more than 90 angle with position axis. So slope is negative. Negative of the slope of potential energy position graph is force. So force becomes positive. The force acts this side opposite to the displacement. It means that this force is restoring in nature. It will try to take back the body to position C. It means that position is equilibrium position. Okay? Let us discuss one problem based on the concepts. This question is, a potential energy is given of the body which can move along x axis. मान लीजिए कोई भी बॉडी है, it can move along x axis. So its potential energy is given as a function of x. A and b are positive constants. With the help of this relation, let us discuss about the equilibrium of the body. So let us find force Fc equal to minus d over dx ax square minus b d over dx. This will be equal to 2ax minus b into 1. For equilibrium, force should be 0. It means 2ax minus b should be 0. So x equal to b over 2a. For this value of x, body is in equilibrium because force is 0 on the body. It is 2a. So whether it is neutral, unstable or stable equilibrium, we have to differentiate again this expression. So u equal du over dx, du over dx is equal to minus 2x plus b. Second derivative, this is equal to minus 2a. It is clearly negative because a is given positive constant. So second derivative is negative. It means it is condition for stable equilibrium. It is condition for stable equilibrium. Clear? So x equal to b upon 2a is stable equilibrium position. Let us move to next problem. It is potential energy versus position graph. इसमें on this graph A, B, C, D, E points are pointed, marked. You have to find the sign of the force acting on the body when the body is in the position of A at the position of B. B means body is here, at C at that 4 meter away, D point body position A, E point body position 6 meter, like this. Let us find sign of the force acting on the body. मान लीजिए it is body, force is acting on it along positive x-axis or in negative axis only. mg in normal net is 0. Conservative forces can be towards positive x-axis or towards negative x-axis. Let us think about it. Now, force on the body is minus du over dr, and du over dr is slope of the curve. Position r is x here. Du over dx is slope at the point of ux curve, and negative of the slope is force on the body. Clear? Now let us think about a point. Clearly at point A, slope is positive because it makes acute angle with x-axis. So du over dx is positive, force is negative of du over dx, so force will be negative. So at A force will be negative. Clear? Now let us think about point C. At point C, if you draw slope, it makes angle more than 90 degree with x-axis. So du over dx slope होता है tan theta. So tan of the angle more than 90 is negative. So clearly du over dx is negative here. Negative sign already there. So minus du over dx will be positive. So force at C will be positive. Clear? The force at point C will be positive. Now if you think about point D, let us draw a tangent at point D. Its slope is again negative. So du over dx is negative, minus du over dx will be positive. So force will be positive at point D. Clear? At point E, if we draw tangent, it is parallel to the x-axis. So du over dx is 0, force is 0. So force on E is 0. Clear? Now let us discuss stable, unstable, neutral, equilibrium position. Clearly in this graph, there is no point where potential energy is constant because it is varying at every point. So there is no position of neutral equilibrium. Next, let us think about top point at 2 meter away. At this point, slope is 0 because it is parallel to the x-axis. So at x equal to 2 meter, force is 0, equilibrium position. Now, clearly from the graph, at this position, potential energy is maximum. It means unstable equilibrium. Now let us think about point E. That is at x equal to 6 meter, du over dx is 0, that is force equal to 0, equilibrium, and potential energy is minimum. Potential energy is minimum, it means stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. Du over dx 0, force is 0, u is minimum clearly at the point E at 6 meter away. So it is stable equilibrium position. Let us discuss one more problem. It is force versus position graph for the body. Body is moving along x-axis. Force is also acting along x or negative x-axis. Along positive x-axis, मान लीजिए force is positive. Along negative x-axis, force is negative. Clear? Let us think about the point A. At point A, force is 0. When force is 0, it is equilibrium position. Now let us think about type of the equilibrium. If the body is displaced towards right, displacement is positive. Let us think about the force. Clearly force is positive. Displacement positive, force is positive. Unstable equilibrium. If you displace it towards left, this side, displacement is negative. Now force, clearly force is negative here. Force is also negative, so it will not come back. It is unstable equilibrium position. So F is unstable. Clear? Let us think about point C. At point C, force is 0 clearly. It is force versus position graph. It is equilibrium position, C position. If the body is displaced slightly towards right, force is negative, displacement is positive, force is negative, it will come back, restoring force is acting here. So it is stable equilibrium position. Or if you displace it towards left of C, then clearly displacement is negative. With respect to C. Now the force is clearly positive. Force will be this side, positive. It means it is restoring in nature. So C point is stable equilibrium position. So C is stable equilibrium. Clear? Okay.